guys, it's Jen again, coming to you with an unboxing today. I had another video I was going to post today, but had some technical difficulties with it, so this is the one I'm going to do instead. Videotaped and posted the same day. Let's get into it. I already know that I don't like the way that this one's packed. I can feel those bubbly things, but we'll see how it turns out when I actually open it. Most times when they have those bubble packaging, it bends the canvas and creases the canvas really bad, and it takes a long time to get them flat if you don't iron, which I don't. Another thing that was strange is it actually had my address on here twice. And of course I opened the wrong side. Well, actually, I mean, it's not too bad. A little bent up there, but I mean, it's not as bad as I was expecting it to be creased. Alright, if you can't see, this is a horse painting. It's one I got for my sister-in-law for her Christmas gift. This one is from Kamyi store, Kamyyi store on AliExpress. I paid $12.33 Canadian. I ordered it on August 31st and received it today, September 17th. I can't remember. I think this is a square. Alright, I'm just gonna do this first. Pretty folded. There we go. This is a 30 by 40. Just taking a quick peek at it. Couple little indents, but no air bubbles, no peeling away from of the glue or anything. Very sticky. Symbols are pretty clear. So far I don't see too many that are really similar close together, so that's a good sign. Oh, of course, I would put it on wrinkly. There we go. Let's do the other side. And the reason why I'm rubbing it like that is because when I first tried to pull it up from this side, the glue was lifting a little bit from the canvas. And it just helps push the glue back down onto the canvas a bit. I think this is going to turn out pretty. We will find out when I do it. This is one of the ones I'm actually going to be doing for... Okay, I do have an issue. This, as you see, is circles, rounds. Here's round. I'm going to show you. I'm going to cover up my order confirmation. But if you see, it is supposed to be a square diamond painting. It is not square, but I ordered square. So I'm a little disappointed about that. But I don't mind doing rounds. I will contact the seller, the store, and let them know that I did order a square and received a round. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 colors in this one. It came with the open boat kit, a pair of tweezers, which you usually would never get with a round painting, a 6-placer, a fairly big piece of wax, these tweezers, and the open boat. I don't believe there's an inventory sheet with this. I'm just going to check, but I don't think there is. Which I find a little strange, but... oh, maybe there is, actually. Yep, there is. I lied. Might as well make sure everything is here while I have you on the video. Don't see any loose drills here. Oh, I got a whole bunch of the little baggies. I'm not using these ones anymore, but I'm going to keep them because they're good when I run out of my better ones. All right, I'm just going to pick up and whatever I pick up and start going from there. So 3, 8, 3, 4. Grab my little 10, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 4. There's supposed to be 4, and I got 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what number are these? This is really hard to see. 3799, so 73799. Yep. Three of 3776. Yes. 3 of 3740. 3072 is 2. 30, I'm gonna actually write this on here. 41. Yeah, 41 is 2. And this pen I'm using is not a very good permanent marker either. Oh well, it's good enough for what I'm doing. 938 is 3. 976 is 2. 921 is 2. I'm guessing that's supposed to be 827. Oh, there's the other ones. There's 3. 823 is 2. 780, 772 is 2. Those are pretty green. I don't think I've had that color green yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 647. 5. 644 is 3. Yep. 535, 1. 453, 1. 436, 3. 435, 3. 414, 1, 2, 3. It says I'm supposed to have 2. So I'm just going to put plus, oh, because I got the number. Check plus 1. 413 is 3. I did get 3 of them. 3, oops, yeah, 4, that was right. 317, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of 300. 307. I'm gonna wait because I'm not 100% sure what that number is because it's cut off. 160 is 2. 154. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6. 301. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 159 is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And an empty bag, but let's see, for 310, it's only supposed to be 7 anyway. So by process of elimination, I have received all of the drills. This one's 168, and that does look like what that's supposed to be. I did receive all of the drills. As I said, though, it was supposed to be a square painting and not a round. So I will contact that company regarding this and find out if they want me to return this and send me a new one, or what they're going to do. Just because I've been trying to do the square ones for Christmas gifts for like my close family because I like them better. The round ones go faster, but we'll see what happens. Anyways, that is my unboxing for today. The canvas was in great condition. All of the drills were here. Inventory sheet, which I'm happy with. So there's no complaints other than that one little thing. Anyways, I hope you're all having a great day. And by the way, I want to say thank you very, very much to everybody who subscribed to me. I'm absolutely blown away by the fact that I'm getting up there close to 100 subscribers. It's absolutely amazing. I thank you all so, so much. When I originally started this channel, it was actually not for anything like views or subscribers. It was for a couple friends, show them a little more about diamond painting. I did not expect to start getting a whole bunch of subscribers, but I really appreciate it, and I'm actually really enjoying it. So thank you once again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, do so as well. Have a great day. Bye for now.